Wow, this is a big theater.
Yeah. They have 10 movie screens.
Do you want to see every movie?
I don't think so. I think one movie is enough.
What's this about? I'm a lady too.
Oh. That's a foreign film. It's about a transsexual volleyball team. I've seen it.
How about the Trek? Have you seen the Trek?
Not yet.
It's an ancient movie.
Yeah. I want to see that too. Oh, it's not out yet.
Oh, yeah. Coming soon. Have you seen Our Two Hearts?
What's that about?
Oh. A love story about a man and a woman.
Enough. If it's a love story, I don't want to watch it.
Why not? It's so sad and romantic.
That's right. And the last time we watched a love story, you cried.
I remember that. It was such a good story.
Let's watch a comedy.
Okay, I like to laugh. How about Fool School?
I've read about that in the newspaper.
It's supposed to be very funny.
Okay, let's watch Fool School.
But we'd better hurry. It starts in 10 minutes.
Perfect! Just enough time to get tickets and got to the snack bar. Thank you for watching channel, Dan Sreyoun. Please subscribe, like and share.